Hi guys, just going to show you today how to set up your Chunghop branded remotes and also resetting it. Firstly, double check that you've got the batteries in the right way and just press any buttons to see if the light's actually flashing on the remote. In regards to setting it up, you want to make sure that the light is on. On the back it will show you the different group codes that you can be using if it doesn't work straight away for you when you turn it on. So for example, to try group code 1, press and hold group number 1 for a matter of seconds and you'll see that the light is flashing. Check your screen to see whether or not the volume setting actually comes up on your TV, and just test all the buttons to see if everything's working. If it's not working, have no worries, you can go ahead and try group number 2. Keep doing this until you find a code that actually works best for your TV. If down the track you have any concerns with your remote, you can just take the batteries out and then while there's no batteries, just press as many buttons as you can to drain all the power out of the remote. See that there's no light flashing. If you're wanting to do this quickly and not let it sit overnight for it to be completely drained, you can do this quicker by picking up a pair of scissors and just touching the bottom of the metal springs and giving it a little bit of a click just to drain some power out for you guys. Once you do that, I suggest putting in some brand new batteries. And then setting up your group codes again. And perfect, your remote's then working again. Thanks for watching.